I just watched somebody spend 100 hours testing Claude Code and ChatGPT's Codex, and the results is not what I expected. They're not choosing one over the other. It's kinda they're using one over the other in specific scenarios. Claude Code could be used for one thing, the creative director, putting things into play, and ChatGPT's Codex could be the executive decision maker, right? Deploying it. How we gonna put this thing in action? How quick we can deploy this thing? How fast we're gonna be able to move with this? You have to test the tools out, and you have to do a combination of different tools. Claude Code is gonna be good at one thing, and Codex is gonna be better at another thing. It's like understanding which tools do what and for what scenario. That's the best way you're going to be able to optimize AI and use it to your advantage, because once you know the tools, you're going to understand how to move forward with them, how to stack them up and win. So what I'm going to say is stop comparing tools, stop running at the next shiny object. All you have to do is make the combination work for you. My combination of AI tools might not be the same combination of your AI tools, and that's okay. It's how you execute your plan. That's it. We're not here to compare the tools. Everybody's making amazing tools. Understand the pros and the cons of each, and then go and execute. This is how you start your AI business. This is how you start and being financially free, time free, and running your own business with these AI tools. We're gonna keep building. I'm gonna test out both, right? I've traditionally, you guys been seeing me in the tutorials using Claude Code a lot. I love it, but I'm an open AI guy too, right? I love ChatGPT, so I'm definitely gonna, dive deep into Codex and understand both tools, because I do feel like it's a benefit to actually be engulfed in both these things, to be, just to sharpen your tools, right? As a vibe coder, as a developer, as a single person AI business owner, this is what you need to do. This is the fun part, right? Because now you're using your mind and your skills to make things happen in real time, and that's the benefit of AI. That's the test. That's what I love about it. It's the drive. Anyone who's in sales or in marketing is gonna win in AI. I'm gonna be honest with you. Anyone who's in sales and in marketing, as long as you learn it, oh my God, you guys are going to like salespeople and marketers. You guys are gonna win the game of AI, and it's not even funny. It's not even funny, like by a landslide. It's just. Now it comes down to who can do it in the specific way. It's not about working with these large enterprise brands and stuff, which no shade to the enterprise brands, because we do need large enterprise for certain things. Like I'm thinking like a JetBlue for an airport, Delta and stuff like that. But as far as like marketing brands, media and stuff like that, now it's gonna be like, who is their own media team? Who has the agents that can do it at the best? Like the best in the best, most efficient way, right? For whoever, whenever. And I'm going to be at the forefront of that. I'm here to share the resources, let people know that it's here to be a tool, and you have to learn this. You have to learn this. If you want to learn this, tap in. If you want to learn this, contact me, connect. I'm sharing out. I'm doing videos. I'm doing tutorials. Also, I'm doing a free event, a free Learn Claude Code event. Learn Claude Code in 1 hour. Sign up. The information is in the description. Email me. I will send you the link personally, or the link is in the bio. DM me on LinkedIn. I will send you the link personally. Learn Claude Code in 1 hour. We're having this event. It is free. All you have to do is register and sign up. I will be teaching a Claude Code and Cursor course that you guys are going to love. My name is Anthony Virgo. Let's automate this. If you guys need any support in terms of learning AI, understanding it, building, deploying products, building voice agents, I'm your guy. Connect with me on LinkedIn or send me an email. It's in the description.